Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the micro power step down voltage regulator which converts 12 volt to 3.3 volt, right? So this schematic file I have taken from the LTSpice example. Okay, only the changes I have made here is I have changed the load here, so you can see at the moment load for this application is pulsating load which draws zero point 0.5 ampere pulse current, and the on time is 1 microsecond and the total pulse duration is 2 microsecond. So this is basically a LT3695 series micro power step down voltage regulator which converts 12 volt input to 3.3 volt output at the rate of zero point 0.5 ampere, right? So if you go and if you want to see the data sheet for LT3695, you can go and you can have a look of the pinning here, so you can see what is the use of this PG, what is the use of this SSRN, what is the use of this sync pin RT, VC, then ground here, P ground here, then this is DFP pin, this is switch pin, this is boost pin. Okay, so what is the use of this capacitor, what is the use of this diode, and what is the use of this inductor likewise. Okay, so if you want to have a deeper look and if you want to understand this schematic thoroughly, you have to go through the data sheet of LT3695 which says that it is 1 ampere fault tolerant micro power step down converter, right? So here I will show you the input signals, I will show you the output signal, I will show you how outputs behave while you have switching load. So in our case we have switching load here, you can see this I1 is a switching load. I will show you the startup analysis or transient analysis, transient behavior of this circuit, how the output ramp ups and then how it got stables. Okay, so this all things we will today understand on this video. Okay, so hope you understand the objective here. What is the input voltage, what is the load current, what is the output voltage, and why we have chosen this LT3695 for our design. Okay, so this all things hope you understood. Now I will run the transient analysis and I will show you the behavior of this circuit. So you have to go at simulate here, then you have to edit simulation command. So you have to then click transient, and for this I took the stop time is 500 microsecond. Okay, so then you have to click OK, and now you have to click this button, this is run button. So once you click the run button, so you have two window, one window for schematic and one window for the waveform. So let me show you the input signal here. So as you can see, your input is here is 12 volt. Okay, 12 volt. So your input is here is 12 volt. If let me show you the signal at this run pin or SS pin, it is ramping up and it is showing around 4.5 volt. What is the signal at this RT pin? This is around 720 millivolt. What is the signal at this VC node? This is something like 0.8 volt. And let me show you the signal at switch node, right? So this is switch node and you can see you have some switching waveform which starts from 0 to 12 volt. So this is the waveform of your switching node, right? Okay, this is the waveform at, let me tell you the boost node. So it is from 9.5 volt to 21.5 volt. This is at the boost pin. Now finally I will show you the waveform at V out. So this is the V out. Let me zoom it this. Okay, so the simulation is still running. Now you can see the behavior of V out here. So you can see initially the output was minus 0.54, then it ramps up, then it again goes down and it ramps up here, and finally it reached at here. This is 3.6 volt, then again it came down, and at this point of time, let us say after 200 microsecond, after taking 200 microsecond of transient time, the output stabilized here. Now the throughout for your steady state, your output is 3.33 volt. So let us say up to 200 microsecond, this is the transient behavior from here, from 0 microsecond to 200 microsecond. Let's see here, this waveform shows the transient behavior of your step down voltage regulator, and after 200 microsecond to 500 microsecond, this shows the steady state behavior of your step down regulator. So let me show you the pulsating current. So as you can see here, so you are drawing the pulsating current, and you can see the amplitude current for this application is 500 milliampere, and start from 500 milliampere, and the on time is 1 microsecond. So you can see, if even you are drawing you have switching load, that means you are drawing a switching current. Even then, after the transient period of time, let's say 200 microsecond, your output is stable, even your load is switching. So you can say, for this step down regulator, voltage regulator, even if you are using any switching load, your output is more stable. Okay, so hope you understand the behavior of micro power step down voltage regulator by using LT3695, which converts 12 volt input to 3.3 volt output with switching load application, for switching load application. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.